basis. Each neuro yoga you have to do 50 times. The first one is this, you have to make a fist and you have to do this 50 times. Second is this one, 50 times. Each neuro yoga mudra you have to do 50 times. Third, in between these two fingers you have to press like this. Next, you have to keep your thumb like this and keep pressing all the four fingers to press your thumb. And the last one is this one. Keep practicing these 5 yoga mudras for neuro. These are the neuro yoga mudra which help to boost your brain to relax your mind. Hello friends, so today I'm going to tell you acupressure points for your thyroid gland. What you have to do, you have to hold your hands. You have to use now the base of your hand and with all your 4 fingers you have to just do like this massage. Like this massage you have to do for 1 to 2 minutes daily, and this you can do while you're walking or while you're sitting. At any time of day you can do this, and in few days you will see the result. Thank you so much. Dangerous for your health. It is not good for your health. So what you have to do on daily basis, 15 to 20 minutes, if it is not possible, at least 5 to 10 minutes you have to take deep breath in. If you practice this daily, it is really beneficial for your heart, your mind and your body. Hello friends, 3 yoga mudras to cure different fingers, PCOD or PCOS problem. First is grooming mudra. For that, what you have to do, take your hands, join your 2 fingers and first finger like this, thumb like this. And this mudra you have to keep in front of your belly button for 15 to 20 minutes. Second one is Shankh mudra. For that, you have to take your right hand, you have to hold the thumb of left hand and join the first finger like this with thumb. And this mudra you have to keep in front of center of your heart for 15 to 20 minutes. And third one is for that, you have to press your right shoulder like this. Put your both hands on your knees for 15 to 20 minutes. Try 3 yoga mudras for a few days and then you will notice that. like this. And if you are facing pain right here, what you have to do on the so I'm going to tell you 3 acupressure points to treat eye discomfort. First, second, to irregular period, PCOD, PCOS. In my previous video, I have already shared 3 mudras, 10 mudras for that. And now today I am going to tell you one acupressure point. What you have to do, you have to take your right hand and see this finger, okay? This finger, this gap in between shows your uterus. Here and here. This one and this point shows your ovary. So what you have to do, you have to massage this area using left hand. Put some oil on it and you have to massage this area minimum 2 to 3 minutes daily. 2 to 3 times you can do it. You have to do it continuously for 15 to 20 minutes and you will see the difference. Vayu Mudra for nerves. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today we discuss about 2 easy things that you can do to reduce your acidity problem. First of all, what you have to do, that you have to sleep on time, okay, and you have to take your meals on time. If in any case that you are not able to sleep, maybe sometimes it happens some nights you are not you have good sleep. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to add in your lunch, afternoon meal, you have to add chach, okay? In that you have to add hing, which lowers down your acidity. Secondly, you have to add vada, that is called khaskhas roots, that you have to add in your water and you have to intake that water for 24 hours. It will help you to lower down